Synthesis Guide for TBH Taskbar Hero. So that's going to be the first thing available to you with the cube. So I'm going to open up the menu here, going to click on cube, and the first one, like I said, is going to be synthesis. Now here you will see the level, so you can level up this the more you use it, and currently it's going to display your level, so your cube level. And how this works, basically you click on autofill, or you just get some trash items which you no longer need, and then you will have the chance of getting a higher grade. So currently it's going to be 95%, and you also have the chance of getting a 2 times higher grade item. So basically once you fill it out, you can go and click on this button, and it's going to show you that the cube is in operation, and it's going to give you a weapon in this case, which is gonna be kind of okay. And now basically I've just gotten a higher level or higher grade weapon than all of the previous items which I used. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and a sub. I'll see you next time.